The question I've got today is from Hamsa Natrajan. They said, can I start a preschool and later on upgrade to a 10 plus 2 school, a K-12 school? Yes, the answer is correct. Yes, you can. A lot of schools start like that. Instead of investing all the money in one go, they say they want to start small and see if the school does well and then keep adding one class every year. And what happens is the parents don't want to leave you by then because you've proven your system and children now come into your school, and that's not how a lot of schools set up. Just keep in mind that a 10 plus 2 school has to be run under a trust or a society. So if you have such plans, you might want to set up your play school also under the same trust and society if you want to do that. Or you can set up like a proprietorship or a private limited or an LLP right now, and afterwards you can change it to a trust or society. But that just makes the process a bit difficult. But in order to make things smooth, I think if you are very clear that from day one that you will set up a 10 plus 2 school, it's a better idea to run a school under your play school under a trust or society from day one itself. It just makes it less hassle afterwards. So yes, by all means do it. There are some approvals for that required once your school is just a preschool. Separate set of approvals are required only in certain states and countries. If it's from grade 1 onwards, of course you have to get your recognition or registration done for your school. And once you clock class 8th in India, then you have to get affiliation from a school board, the CBSE or ICSE. So there are some steps involved. I have a separate video on the kind of government approvals required to set up a school. Do check that out, and where I've clearly clarified how to set up a school and what kind of approvals. But right now, for you right now, the answer is yes, please do it. And I'm sure with that, once you start, if you set up a good school, you will get the motivation to carry on, invest more, and set up a really, really good school for your community. So with that, if you have any more questions, please write down in the comments below. I'll try and answer them as the best I can. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I keep posting more videos on this topic, you're the first to know and you can check it out, and hopefully things will be clearer for you on the path ahead. That if you're serious about opening a school, then do subscribe to this channel where I'll be sharing whatever I can to help entrepreneurs set up really, really good schools in their community. All the best.